Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean, and this is our Night Video Report for Monday, November 16th, 2015. I'm actually getting this out a little bit early. I have to run out right after the close. But we're getting a nice bounce today. I think it's going to continue. Really, the main reason is we're still following this fractal pattern here. And if you remember, we were looking for a 100-point drop, and once it made the low, you can see that the majority of this move down was was gobbled up in the first 2 days. We're up 27 or something as I type right now. If it's going to follow it, we could be trading someplace up into this 2084 as soon as tomorrow. But I don't know if it's going to follow it exactly as planned. But you can see it found support right near the 38% retracement level. If we're just doing Elliott wave, this would be your 1, this would be your 2, 3, 4, and then we'd make a new 5, and this would be actually looking for a test or a break of these highs. So pattern-wise, with Elliott wave is matching up with it. We had bearish divergences, so if we do head up here, do not fall in love with the long side, because these are, the piper's going to have to be paid, and this move right here probably was not it on a daily divergence, but we'll worry about that a little bit later. As far as wave count wise, it would be calling for a break of these highs. That would be your 5th wave. Not guaranteed it's going to get there. I don't even know if I'll hang on to it for that long, because this is really what I'm looking at right here. So we have, I showed you the bottom of the, that we were trading near the bottom of this channel right here. Being it's heading down, this would be considered a bull flag. Now there was the bullish wolf wave that is looking for a move to come someplace up to the 2090 area. Again, nothing is guaranteed that it's going to play out exactly as I'm laying these out. I just want to show you what the patterns are, and it would make sense if they do. So we have a bullish cross right here on our momentum. We didn't have any bearish bullish divergences, so it's actually I guess we did, because we opened up down today. They'd be small, nothing really to to go crazy over, but I guess you can say we called it. But in any case, we have resistance right at 2059. We're trading at 2049. That would suggest that we still probably have another 10 points to the upside. That would also be the bottom of, at the top of this channel right here. So if they break through it, then yes, we're probably heading someplace up here. Most likely, a lot of chart people are watching that and are going to wait for it to get taken out. Now, another thing. Remember what I talk about with the bears and the open gaps, how they're very neat. They don't like to leave any gaps before a bigger move to the downside starts. This gap is at 2075, so that's probably going to be really the minimum upside target that I would be looking at. Now again, if it's going to follow the fractal pattern from 2014, then we're going to be trading a lot higher. So I may just manage it with stops, but you can see we're right at a moving average right here. So the bulls got to break through this. If they do, then we're keeping an eye on this 2061 area. Now, looking at a 15-minute chart, we had bullish divergences. We don't have bearish divergences. It looks pretty clean right here. We have 1, 2. This looks like some kind of 3, a little pullback 4, and then 5. And then we may get, a little bit of a bigger drop. But remember, these wave counts, they get blown away all the time, especially when the bulls are in control, or when the bulls are, it's their count. So as much as I'm showing you, here we could have 5 waves and a little pullback and up, we've seen them just ignore these all the time. So don't be married to it. But to sum things up, if it's going to follow the pattern that I've been showing you with, going back to this what do you go? Where was it? I'm trying to see right here. No, that's 2015. Okay, so if it's going to follow this pattern right here, we should have an update tomorrow. It may not follow it exactly, but my guess is we probably you're gonna see 2064 at a bare minimum, and then from there they're gonna make a decision on what they want to do. I think closing this gap would make more sense. So I'm leaving my long side trade alone right now. Leave the stop where it is. I guess that would be the best thing. And then let's see what plays out. And like I said, it would not surprise me to see another, huge day up like we have today, especially if it's going to follow that pattern. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.